What if your vacuum could do more than just clean? Imagine just for a moment a robot that sweeps, mops, and empties its own trash for 2 months straight without you lifting a finger. Let's see. Does it feel like you're always sweeping, mopping, and cleaning up after everyone in the house? Wouldn't it be nice if your vacuum could do all that and take out its own trash? Meet the AirRobo T10 Plus, a robot vacuum and mop that takes cleaning to the next level. It not only vacuums and mops your floors, but it also empties its own dustbin into a base station that holds up to 60 days of dirt. Imagine not having to think about cleaning for 2 whole months. It's powered by LiDAR navigation, meaning it learns the layout of your home for precise, efficient cleaning routes. It also adjusts its suction power automatically, depending on the type of surface, whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpet. However, the self-emptying base can be a bit noisy, and it takes some time to set up the mapping perfectly. But once that's done, it's like having a cleaning assistant that never takes a day off. Perfect for busy households, pet owners, and anyone who values a clean home without the hassle. Ever feel like your regular mop is more of a hassle than a help? Missed spots, dirty mop heads, and water everywhere? This one's a game changer. The AlphaBot WS24 is a cordless electric mop with dual-spin motors that make mopping feel effortless. But the real star here? The built-in LED headlight. No more missing those hidden spots of dirt under furniture or in dark corners. The mop's rechargeable battery gives you plenty of cleaning time, and the spray function lets you control how much water or cleaning solution you use. It's lightweight and super easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. Just keep in mind that the battery life isn't the longest, so it's better for quick daily cleaning sessions rather than deep cleaning marathons. For anyone with kids or pets, this mop is a lifesaver. You'll never go back to a traditional mop again. Wish your floors would magically clean themselves? The future is here, and it's called the iRobot Brava Jet M6. The Brava Jet M6 is more than just a mop. It's a smart mop that knows exactly where to clean and how to avoid obstacles. It works on hardwood, tile, and stone floors, and it's perfect for wet mopping or damp sweeping. One of the best features? Precision jet spray. It tackles tough stains like dried coffee spills and sticky messes with ease. And if you've got an iRobot vacuum, they can work together as a cleaning team. However, the mop pads are single-use, so you'll need to keep them stocked up. And yes, it's on the pricier side. But if you want a truly hands-free cleaning experience, this mop is worth the investment. Remember the days of wringing out mops by hand? Yeah, no thanks. This mop makes that a thing of the past. The O-Seater Easy Ring features a pedal-operated spin bucket that lets you control how much water stays in the mop head. It's perfect for cleaning hardwood, tile, and laminate floors without leaving puddles behind. The microfiber mop head is super absorbent and can grab dirt, dust, and bacteria with just water. No need for harsh chemicals. Plus, the refillable mop heads are machine washable, making it a budget-friendly option in the long run. On the downside, the bucket is a bit bulky, so you'll need space to store it. And it's manual, which means you'll still need to put in some elbow grease. For those who like traditional mopping with a modern twist, this is a solid pick. Spills happen, crumbs happen. But what if you had a tool that cleaned it all up in one go? The Tenneco iFloor 3 is a 2-in-1 cordless cleaner that vacuums and mops at the same time. It's a lifesaver for spills, pet messes, and everyday cleaning on hard floors. Plus, it leaves floors dry and streak-free in just one pass. One of the coolest features, self-cleaning mode. After you're done cleaning, just press a button, and the iFloor 3 cleans its own roller brush and pipes, saving you the hassle of dealing with dirty water. A couple of things to keep in mind. It's not designed for carpets, and you'll need to empty the dirty water tank after each use. But for hard floors, it's a time-saving powerhouse. Isn't it annoying when your mop leaves streaks behind instead of cleaning the mess? This refillable spray mop is a game changer for everyday cleaning. It comes with washable microfiber pads, so you don't need to keep buying replacements. Just fill the bottle with your favorite cleaning solution, spray, and mop. It's that easy. Perfect for all floor types, whether you have hardwood, tiles, or laminate. And those microfiber pads? They trap dirt like magic and leave your floors shiny clean. Plus, the 360-degree rotating head makes it a breeze to clean under furniture and in tight corners. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, but the bottle capacity might feel a bit small if you have a big house to clean. If you're tired of lugging around a heavy bucket, this mop is a must-have. It keeps cleaning simple and effective. Cleaning windows is one of those chores that everyone avoids. Let's be honest. Who wants to wrestle with ladders and squeegees? Meet the Hobot 388 window cleaning robot, your new best friend for spotless windows. This robot automatically cleans glass surfaces with ultrasonic water spray to prevent streaks. And it doesn't stop at windows, it works on mirrors, shower doors, and even tiled walls. It uses AI-powered navigation to detect edges and avoid falling, making it safe for high-rise windows. And the app control feature lets you relax while it does the dirty work. But, keep in mind, it's more suited for large, flat surfaces and requires a power cord, so you'll need to plan your setup accordingly. It's a high-tech gadget that makes a boring chore almost fun. Hate scrubbing floors? Wish you had a gadget that could handle both dirt and germs? The new Beeler multi-purpose steam mop is here to save your back and your time. It's detachable and comes with multiple accessories, so it's not just a floor mop. You can clean kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, and even your car interior with the various attachments. The adjustable steam levels let you customize the cleaning intensity, and it heats up quickly to tackle stubborn stains. Plus, the high-temperature steam kills germs and bacteria without harsh chemicals, perfect for homes with kids or pets. However, the cord length could be longer, especially if you're cleaning larger areas. But overall, it's a versatile cleaning tool that handles almost every surface in your home. Ever thought about getting a gadget that handles window cleaning while you sit back with your coffee? The Ulax automatic window cleaner is exactly that. It's designed with anti-falling detection and a powerful suction motor to stick to your windows like magic. It works on both horizontal and vertical surfaces and has a remote control so you can guide it while relaxing on your couch. It's also quiet compared to similar models. However, it's best suited for larger windows and might struggle with heavily curved surfaces. If you've got hard-to-reach windows, this gadget will make your life a whole lot easier. Scrubbing bathroom tiles or kitchen counters by hand, that's a workout no one wants. The electric scrubber takes the hard work out of cleaning. It comes with multiple brush heads for different surfaces, and the rechargeable battery means no annoying cords to deal with. With up to 90 minutes of runtime, it can handle grout lines, shower doors, bathtubs, and even stovetops. The rotating brush heads do the heavy lifting so you don't have to. But, keep in mind it takes a few hours to fully charge, so plan your cleaning sessions accordingly. It's a compact, powerful tool that makes scrubbing much less of a hassle. Do you know what's lurking inside your mattress? Nope, not your lost socks, dust mites, allergens, and bacteria. Handheld ultrasonic vacuum is the superhero your bed has been waiting for. It uses ultrasonic technology to disrupt dust mites and powerful suction to remove dirt, hair, and allergens from deep inside your mattress. The UV light sterilization kills bacteria and germs, making your bed a cleaner, healthier place to sleep. And it's not just for mattresses. You can use it on pillows, sofas, carpets, and even your car seats. With its lightweight design, it's easy to handle. And the HEPA filter ensures that allergens stay trapped inside the vacuum. The corded design ensures continuous power, but you'll need to keep it near an outlet. If you've been waking up sneezing or with itchy eyes, this vacuum could be the secret weapon you need for a good night's sleep. Tired of wringing out mops and making a mess every time you clean your floors? The Boscheng washable microfiber floor mop takes the hassle out of mopping with its innovative two-chamber bucket system. One side washes the mop and the other side dries it. No more bending down or getting your hands dirty. It comes with machine-washable microfiber pads that grab dirt, dust, and even pet hair effortlessly. Plus, the 360-degree rotating mop head makes it easy to reach under furniture and into tight spaces. What's great? It's perfect for all floor types, whether you have hardwood, tiles, or laminate. And because it wrings out the mop so effectively, you won't be left with puddles all over your floors, but you'll need to keep an eye on the water levels in the bucket. It works best with a moderate amount of water, so don't overfill it. Cleaning doesn't have to be a dreaded chore, and this mop makes the whole process faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. Scrubbing surfaces with a sponge and elbow grease? Who has the time or energy for that? The handheld electric cleaning brush is here to take over your toughest cleaning jobs. It's a cordless, rechargeable scrubber that comes with multiple brush heads for different surfaces, from your bathtub to your kitchen tiles and even car rims. The adjustable handle lets you customize the length, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas without bending or stretching. The high-speed rotation power scrubs away grime and soap scum with minimal effort. What's really cool? It's waterproof, so you can use it in wet environments without worrying. And the replaceable brush heads make it versatile for all kinds of cleaning tasks. On the flip side, the battery life could be a bit longer, especially for heavy-duty cleaning sessions, but with a quick recharge, it's good to go again. Whether you're tackling bathroom tiles, kitchen counters, or outdoor furniture, this brush is a game changer for deep cleaning. Say goodbye to scrubbing by hand and hello to sparkling surfaces with way less effort.